This is a limit switch main shaft assembly. Now position is in the fully closed position. Um, this is a back plate and a travel plate and the open nut. When the valve stroking open and the the limit switch drive shaft will be clockwise to rotate, travel to the open inside. When the traveling nut hit this hit the fixed open nut, and the clutch nut, binding the shaft, threaded shaft and main shaft together to clockwise to rotate. So if the clock nut, if the clutch nut itself is loose, it will slip.